So hi, how are you? Okay, hola, namaskar. This is me, Archana Tavre from Mumbai, Maharashtra, and India. Okay, so yes, I'm not just health coach, sport nutritionist, and wellness mentor. I'm also a spiritual blog writer, and as you know already, I'm a tarot card reader as well. Okay, so spirit wants me to tell you some urgent messages. Okay, for that I'm just 10 minutes short recording. I'm gonna do right now, because middle of the yesterday and today also, middle of my work, kitchen work, household work, I'm getting a lot of musical messages. Okay, so this might resonate your situation. Okay, and specifically if you are in no contact separation zone, okay, married, unmarried, take what resonated. Okay, I don't know why I'm feeling very much heavy, but in a lighter way. Okay, I'm also hot and cold energies today. Let me adjust my bumps. Okay, so yeah, I can handle a lot of fats on my belly and my bumps, but I cannot handle any conflicts in my head. Okay, so that's a major statement. So yeah, let me adjust my bumps. Because yeah, so yeah, spirit is saying like somebody you know overindulging into future readings. Might be you already know tarot cards. Yes, Four of Pentacles cards reverse. Somebody is holding on to future very tightly, and somebody also holding on to the past very tightly. Now this is a no contact separation messages. Take what resonated. I'm sensing like, yeah, some of you divine masculines out there, they have a strong feeling for their female crush, or whatever gender you are. Okay, LGBTQ community, doesn't matter. Yep, confirmation again. Yes, I told you. Okay, so yes, no offense, whatever gender you have. Okay, check what resonated. Okay, opposite party, third party, or first party. Okay, we got you. So yeah, give me one moment, because I'm channeling a lot and I'm also sweating like hell. So yeah. So Knight of Pentacles card came. Somebody is thinking to approach you in the near future. I'm sensing Pentacle energy is very slow moving ass, and I hate it. But sometimes we need to be very patient. Okay, so yes, आज के गाने मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. Please Google it. Okay, I don't wanna copyright the songs, because फिर मुझे मेंशन करना पड़ेगा नीचे. So yeah, Arjun Rampal, the actor in the Bollywood industry, Arjun Rampal and Preeti Zinta's old picture together, Dil Hai Tumhara. Okay, that main title song. Okay, yeah. Yes. आजकल जाने मन दिल है तुम्हारा. I'm a very worst singer ever. But I do write a pop pop like lyrics. Also written some rap songs. Okay, so soon I'm gonna come up with that also. Yeah. Okay, so yes, what did I told you? 8 of Wands card. Yeah, you will expect one communication from your no contact zone person. Okay, whom you both have a feelings for each other. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको feelings है और उसको नहीं है, and he or she is minding their own business. Okay, so this is a one sided love. वो वाला situation इधर नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. I'm telling you. So this is urgent messages. Somebody I'm sensing divine feminine are mostly focusing on their love, and they have walked away, because I'm sensing in my third eye 8 of Cups tarot card. 8 of Cups. They have already given up कि ये person वापस आएगा कि नहीं आएगा. Okay, they have already thought some misunderstanding, because ये कार्ड ये भी बताता है अगर रिवर्स में there are some misunderstanding happened. Okay, now I am sensing 3 groups over here. Okay, take what resonated. The first group were already know each other very well. Okay, they were in a friend zone. Okay, or a friend with benefit, because I saw devil card also. Okay, so yeah, friends with benefit. Okay, that is a first group, जो ऑलरेडी एक दूसरे को जानते थे, बहुत अच्छे टाइम से, लॉन्ग टाइम से फ्रेंड्स थे. दे गॉट सम म्यूचुअल फीलिंग्स विथ ईच अदर, एंड सडनली दे गॉट सेपरेटेड. ओके, ओवर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. Okay, that person is coming back. Okay, if you are wrong, then you are going to confess the feeling, or you need to show them apology. Okay, so that's what I'm hearing. And that person is also very much okay, whoever the person is coming back in your life, expect a strong 8th June. I'm sensing 3 to 4 dates for no contact, no separation. Okay, mind it, 4th June, 8th June. I'm also sensing कि within 8 weeks आपको इस person से text आएगा, call आएगा, message आएगा, social media पे अगर आप एक दूसरे को follow कर रहे होगे तो friends है, लेकिन no contact communication है, zone है. So expect communication within 8 days also. Okay, this 8 days. Yeah, within 8 days to 8 weeks. Okay, yeah, I'm feeling very heaviness in my belly. Yeah. I saw some cards. Okay, so give me. And the second group. Okay, so Dil Hai Tumhara song. And the second group. Okay, सर जो तेरा चकराए या दिल डूबा जाए, आजा प्यारे चाय काहे घबराए. I was literally listening this. I don't know, I'm hearing this song from my divine, from my Holy Spirit since yesterday. 2 days I'm hearing this song. So go and Google it. What is the meaning for you? I don't know, for meaning for somebody else. Yeah, I told you that person is coming back. Again wants energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Heavy fire sign. Heavy fire sign. Either that person or you. Okay, hold Sun, Moon, Rising or Venus, Jupiter. Check your chart, because see, my future spouse, my divine masculine has Leo majorly, 5 planets containing Leo zodiac sign, and he has a Leo tattoo as well. yeah. So yeah, and I'm a Leo person. Okay, so this is how soulmates connect. Okay, it is match made in heaven. Okay, so this is not random or coincident. Okay, this is match made in heaven. Okay, so yeah, you guys mirroring each other. And soulmates are soulmates always are happy relationship. Let me tell you here. Okay, I'm coming up with the new videos, what is soulmate and what is twin flame, but I'm giving you short description over here. Soulmates are best friends. Okay, higher vibrational soulmates are very best friends. It doesn't matter your lover or friends or your dog or any kind of relationship you have. But when it comes to love, soulmates always cares for each other. They never hurt each other. I'm telling you, they're very highly sensitive empaths. But whereas the twin flame has a different connection altogether. And twin flame is not meant for each and everybody, Tom, Dick and Harry out there. No, because twin flame journey is like soul's journey is very rough and tough roller coaster ride. Okay, Leela Majnu, Heer Ranjha, now you got the point. Okay, you just go and watch old Heer Ranjha movie in which Sunny Deol is there. Okay, I don't know, I saw this movie in my childhood, almost 15, 16, 17, 18 years back. Okay, I saw very earlier this movie, but I am getting that Sangeeta Bijlani was here in that, and Ranjha was Sunny Deol. So I saw how they baad mein unki maut hoti hai. This is how the season, this is how, what is this is the I'm sorry, excuse me, I'm very funny, but what okay, somebody whoever is watching me, you guys are very shy. You have a problem to open up. You are underestimating yourself. You have something inside you, ability which you don't know, and if you are knowing that, you are not practicing it. You have problem. You might be a Virgo people, okay, who are watching me. I know Virgo people, September born people. Okay, they're very sensitive, mature, perfectionist, but they have a problem of opening up. So check your zodiac sign, and if resonated, please नीचे लिखने के लिए मत भूलना. ओके, स्पेशल ब्लेसिंग्स. आप जो कमेंट करेंगे उनके लिए स्पेशल ब्लेसिंग्स. सो या, आई एम फीलिंग थर्स्टी राइट नाउ. मेरे मुंह में बहुत सलाइवा आ रहा है, कभी इतना सलाइवा नहीं आता है, बट दिस इज अ चैनलिंग, दिस इज फ्रॉम अ गॉड. ओके, सो आई एम टेलिंग यू, somebody out there is thirsty for your love. That's the reason that person is defending and coming back. This wand is you, this opportunity is you, I mean this priority is you, and he is going against the society. This another 6 wands. Okay, and I'm sensing 6 of wands card in this, because see, अगर एक wand इसके हाथ में तो नीचे 6 wands है, and 6 of wand in the tarot card represents victory. Okay, success. Okay, so that person coming towards you for victory and success. Period. Yep, I got hiccups again. Period. Okay, so if you have those first group prediction, I have already done. I don't know why I'm getting a lot of burps, hiccups unnecessarily, but this is a spirit sign. Okay, so yeah, what did I tell you? That person is heartbroken from you. You guys are heartbroken over each other. You have already walked away and left that person behind. Now this person realizing your worth. No contact, no communication zone. This person realized your worth. Might be this person, definitely I'm seeing 3 of cups over here, okay, and the 3 of swords. You might be seeing 3 3 3 3 1 3, okay, 1 8, okay, 1 3 8, okay, 7 7 7. You might be seeing, okay, if you're a spiritual person like me. Okay, I'm also coming up with the angel numbers reading very soon. So yeah, this person is heartbroken over you a lot. Okay, what did I tell you? I shuffled in front of you. This person wants a family with you. This person thinking to establish a family, long-term business, and child, marriage, everything. And this person wants a victory with you. I'm taking this card because I was already sensing. My intuition, damn. See, this is my intuition. High Priestess card means I'm speaking truth and I'm a divine messenger. This is my card. Okay, so my intuitions are truth, damn truth. Okay, so whatever are the songs I'm channeling, I'm mentioning down to this video also, so check out description as well. So first group, no contact zone communication. That person is coming back for a coming back, okay, and that person is heartbroken in the past. Okay, you both guys are hurting each other. Okay, no doubt. Yes, 6 of Pentacles card just now flew out. Okay, that person wants to give you gifts. That person, oh wow, मुझे भी gift दे दो. I love gifts. Okay, with the 0 conditions. Okay, so yeah, you can donate to my channel. Okay, because I'm guiding you, I'm helping you, right, and I'm giving you the correct guidance as well. Yeah, थोड़ी राहत, तुम्हारे कलेजे को थोड़ी सी राहत. So yeah, if you love my style, if you love my face, if you love my energy, if you love my readings, my speaking style, anything, anything could be, okay, my energy, aura, and you can resonate with me, relating with me, okay, relatable, then please see, my hairs are everywhere, Dan, everywhere. I'm sorry for that. My crown chakra is super active, and last 5 years I'm into channeling, but I did not understood what is this happening with my body, because the spiritual transformation I was going through, it is tough. It is tough. It is super tough, and I wish nobody could get this, such kind of a journey, because I have gone through hell. Okay, literally. Okay, I love this money plant. Okay, so yeah, it is giving me freshness and positive energy. So yeah, you might be need planting, or kitchen garden something, or I'm sensing a lot of people, flowers. You need to plant, you need to bring flower plants, okay, so that it can heal your heart, and of course energy transfers. Yeah, so if you divine masculine watching me out, okay, you need to spend more green time, greenery time. So plant ke nazdik jao, water ke nazdik jao, greenery time, green color ke clothes pehno, coat pehno. If you are giving consultations, coaching, and teaching people or something like that, then green color zyada use karo and open up your heart chakra. See, divine masculine का अगर चैनलिंग आया ना, तो मेरा बम वाटी लग जाती है पूरी. I directly like fumbling a start whenever I am channeling about divine masculine special, because divine feminine I know I can relate to divine feminine are like queen of wands, okay, queen of swords, the fucking empress in the deck, that energy. Okay, they are very much outspoken, they are very much presentable, they are very much Jhansi ki Rani. Okay, I always feel this energy for divine feminine. They are go, they know where they are going. But in masculine, they like create conflicts unnecessarily, overthinking about the situation. Okay, so in their love life situation, and that is manifesting into reality as well. Okay, so no, you need to, I'm constantly watching this money plant, because I am sensing for divine masculine, you need to spend time in nature, apart from away from social media. Yeah, and Yes, 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 yes. Yeah. You need to open your heart, because I'm saying heart chakra blockages were there in the past. Now it is opening up, and but you're still holding from something is there. I don't know. I'm connected to very specific divine masculine. So please, mere subscribers, I love you. Okay, I love you a lot. I know that many singles are watching out there, and even though you are healed, I know that some traumas always before marriage. Everybody, no damn Tom, Dick and Harry present in the in this planet that says I am healed completely. No, nobody heals. Okay, before marriage nobody heals. After marriage, slowly healing comes, because your partner gets along with you. Okay, you both guys are mutually healing through sex, intimate sex, sacred sex, through touching, through speaking, understanding, listening, confessing the truth about each other. Okay, so that is a different kind of altogether healing. So yeah, if you're a single, don't worry, you want to get married with your future spouse, with your destined partner. Okay, that is heading towards you, if you are in no contact separation. Okay, so this is for a first group reading. I am taking aside this divine masculine. You need to open your throat chakra and heart chakra. I'm sensing that. Okay, you're unable to confess your feelings, truths to divine feminine. Okay, God, guys, please. Okay, whenever I sat down for even 10 to 15 minutes, I'm getting the ants all over in my body. Okay, so thank you so much for adjusting me, because I'm channeling a lot. Okay, so let's tap into second group. Okay, the second group who both are in contact with each other. Give me one moment. Yes, throat chakra blockage. Both are knowing each other very well. Both are liking each other's picture. Okay, but both are not confronting the truths. Yes, Three of Pentacles. You both are attached strongly on social media. Okay, you both are might be working together on a same project or in a same company, but you both are hesitating to come forward and speak and confess the truth and confess the feeling that you both guys are in love with each other. Yup, burp. Oh, excuse me. Yup. Okay. Yup. Okay. So I'm sensing banking sector. So yes, I'm sensing HDFC Bank. I don't know. Yes, true. Enlightened. You both guys having, this is a hanged man, but it's stuck situation. No contact. Okay. No separation, but no contact situation. Okay. You both guys are in touch with each other. I'm sensing HDFC Bank. I don't know now. I don't know. I'm sensing Kotak Bank. I'm also sensing American Bank. Okay. I'm sensing Canada Bank. Oh my God. See, Queen of Swords. I told you, divine feminines are in the cutthroat energy. Okay. If you are going with shallow or hollow commitment, she won't accept it. See, her sword is ready. Her sword is ready, just like me. This is my card. I claim this energy. You cannot come through bullshit, man. You are about to getting married. You are a age of marriage age. You are in the marriage age. Okay, you are in the responsibility age. Okay, where you are not just yourself responsible, but you are also responsible for the actions of your spouse, for the career growth, or the joint responsibility. And you, if you are a fucking limbo situation, you don't know how to proceed ahead, you don't know how to go and confess simply and give her a commitment, lifetime commitment, which is a loyalty, then who are you? Why are you doing this? Then you have 0% maturity then. Okay, so Queen of Swords means my divine feminine gang. Okay, so in the second group, you both are working with each other. She is ready to give you commitment, because she is a committed person. She is absolutely business oriented, career oriented person. She don't entertain any drama. She is healed though. Okay, she is healed also her past, and she knows her mistakes, and she is ready to accept. I'm also sensing there is one bird above her head. I don't know, this camera is capturing. Yeah, there is one bird above her head. That is her spirit guide. Okay, I'm flawless, and this is a crow. Crow means ancestor, grand ancestor. So whoever you divine feminine watching me out, hi, welcome, you are my soul sister. Okay, so please like, share, comment down below, and subscribe my channel if this resonate with you, your situation, of course. Okay, so yeah, so your spirit guide is working with you. Know that ancestors and grand ancestors, specifically when you see the crow coming into your windows, or balcony or area, wherever, apartment, okay, and garden, wherever you visit, you see lot of crows. That means your ancestors are by your side. So whatever you are thinking, you need to understand. If you are asking question, the answer is here in my reading, and the answer is in front of your eyes only. Okay, so yeah, you are very clear headed person. You know what you want from that person, the no communication person. Okay, you know exactly, and that communication will see if it is coming or not. Okay, because that person is in, what did I told? Reverse. Spirit, I love you. I love your spirit. King of Swords, Queen of Swords, and in between this big dick. Excuse me, 18 plus reading. She's directly watching him. Okay, she's directly have a contact, but this person is hesitant to eye contact because he's afraid of your power, divine feminine, which is good, क्योंकि होना चाहिए अगर उसके दिमाग में कुछ और है, because King of Swords is also manipulation card. Okay, give me one moment. Sorry. But no sorry. This is my channel, I'm the boss of my channel. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I did lot of chumpy, lot of self-love today, but I am looking young. I'm a young, very much young. Okay, back to. Okay, so yeah, you both want new beginning in the commitment. You both want new beginning in the life. You want marriage, you want happiness, you want long term, commitment. You want long term happiness, not just for shitty ass. Okay, and this person also wants the same, but this person in the limbo situation. The situation between you two are stuck. Damn, 101%. Okay. Yep. I'm getting hiccups. Okay, so we'll see how many days you both guys are, I'm sensing 1 month. Okay, 1 month this person will open up, but divine feminine, you need to drop this sword, at least to listen him what he's saying. This reading 15 minute ka hai, 2. I just saw double two. Burps after burps, hiccups after hiccups. This is confirmation, guys. Okay, no contact and separation zone. Okay, you both are King of Swords. This is a divine couple. Okay, this is a soulmate connection purely, because lovers का कार्ड आया नहीं है, 2 of cups का कार्ड नहीं आया, तो I am not and 4 of wands also not. This is my twin flame cards. So you guys are not twin flame, you guys are soulmate, high vibrational soulmate. Okay, you have a purpose here, or if it is not, you are very much humanitarian. Okay, just a minute guys, give me 1 minute. Okay, so I'm sensing like you both are, I'm also sensing you both are like really working and achieving some target. You are under target, you are under someone's influence, might be your bosses. अरे यार ये स्टोरी कब खत्म होगी? Thank God I left my corporate career. I swear these foreign clients are sitting on your ass. I'm literally, I'm with you. Okay, you can share me your story in the comment section below. Okay, so I have already sensed 4 banks, I told you, but I'm here, I'm sensing like this is a highly sales, marketing, corporate, IT, some kind of a high level MNCs. Okay, you both guys are seeing each other every day on the floor. Okay, might be in the same project but a different work responsibility. Let me channel. Wait. Yeah, going canteen together but with the different teams. Okay, sharing lift together, sharing bus together, sharing pick up and drop together, but you are both are not able to confess the truth. Might be divine feminine already know this, yeah, but she's waiting for divine masculine. Okay, so yes, 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 definitely. Let me channel. These are my tumbles, amethyst tumbles. I love, actually I was having 6 to 8 bracelets. So if you want to donate my channel, please, one bracelet approximately 1,000 rupees. Okay, so please, 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 if you want to gift me, I can give you my home address, because I want amethyst bracelet, I want tiger's eye bracelet, eagle's eye bracelet, which are broken, black obsidian bracelet as well, which have broken, because a lot of people envying me, and I know, I can sense that. But you know, spirit is protecting me through these bracelets and the positive energies I had. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, universe. Thank you, my ancestor, grand ancestor, archangel. Okay, what else, what else? Okay, so third group, I'm coming. Please, please stay tuned till the last 5 minutes to go. Yeah, I'm sensing a lot of stomach ache for second group, lot of acidity issues. You guys are not drinking water, you are in the head space only. Yeah, yeah, yes. 3 of Wands, what did I tell? Separation is there, no contact situation is there, both are waiting on each other. कौन पहले communication करेगा? This situation will not improve if you know, waiting on each others. Okay, someone has to take initiative. Okay, might be divine feminine already asked, you know, what you are thinking about me. Okay, are we going to commit each other in a marriage? She already asked, but divine masculine is ziplock. Now why this situation is into your hand? Okay, so 3 of Wands means I'm sensing also 1 to 3 months, you know, the no contact or separation. 1 to 3 months, maximum 3 months. Okay, this is a recent. See cards, lot of cards, universe, please, lot of cards. I want only one card for second group. Okay, this is enough. So you can expect 0 to 3 months if you have a patience. Okay, because Queen of Swords is not bullshit, and King of Swords is also not bullshit. They can wait a lifelong, but because they are always in their head. Okay, planning, strategizing, executing, always in the head, not execution, sorry. Yeah, 8 of Cups. Yeah, yes, this person is heartbroken. Yes, Page of Wands, I told you. Oh, I told you, divine masculine is going to take action towards you, divine feminine, if in this second group. Okay, or a divine feminine, you are going to take action. If not previously, then you will, you know, ask him out. Okay, or you will ask him out, or he will ask him out. And I'm sensing, like, you know, within 1 month, maximum within 1 month. Yup, I'm gone. इतना आ रहा है ना कि पूछो ही मत. Okay, this person have you know, very practical. You both are very practical. You guys are not, you know, head over heart people, just like me sometimes. Yeah. Okay, so head over heart means what? You guys wear your heart on your sleeves, which is very nice, but in certain situation, you guys like too much wasting time, too much. Okay, watching each other's social media, liking pictures, worrying about, you know, whether that person is indulging in somebody else or not, you know, negative self-talk. Okay, and stuck in a limbo situation, though you know this enlightenment. Hanged Man means a Pisces card as well. Okay, so yeah, you are very much in enlightenment process right now. You know what, and a good news is coming. So I'm going to take this card. Okay, yeah, yes. So no, spirit, I'm not ready for third group. So third group, what? Okay, the third group might be, this group is for me. Okay, or Deepa, if you are watching me. Okay, so Deepa, I think you are in the first group. Okay, yes, third group, मैंने बोला था ये मेरा कार्ड है. Okay, so first group, you are high vibrational soulmate. Definitely you are some kind of a, you know, soulmate. Okay, best friend kind of thing. Okay, you have spent enough time with each other. You know that you both are meant for each other, but you are currently in no contract. Contract. If anybody wants to hire me on a contract, please. I'm so funny. Okay, fine. Yeah, but this is my channel. I will promote myself. Then bloody who else? Alright. So yeah, the third group I am taking Twin Flame. Okay, You don't need to Google it, twin flame. I am coming up with the twin flame soulmate. What are the stages relationship in the next video. Then again, I'm feeling started. Butterflies in my stomach, and there's a mixer going on. Though I am drinking a lot, not that drink. Please, I'm a sport nutritionist. Okay, I'm a super freaky health freak. Okay, okay. So back to the point. Okay, so yes, happiness card, marriage card, stability card, 4 of Wands is everything. See, 2 people are dancing with each other. Okay, and also there is a palace beside them, behind them. Sorry. Yep, hiccup. Burp. I think you will get habitual to my after watching my videos and subscribing my channel. You will love my burps. Okay. Back to the reading. So yeah, twin flame. Okay, one flame divided into 2 souls. Matlab 2 souls are combined 1 souls. Okay, 1 soul. Okay, like a Shiva Parvati. Okay, Radha Krishna, Shiva Shakti. Okay, like that. Okay, Lakshmi Narayan, like that. This is unseparable bond. Unseparable. नो मैटर कितनी भी शादियाँ हो जाए, 3-4 शादियाँ कर लो, कुछ भी कर लो, एंड अप में तुमको कहाँ आना है, तुम्हारे डिवाइन मैस्कुलिन और तुम्हारे डिवाइन फेमिनिन के पास ही आना है. ओके, दिस इज मेंट बिकॉज इन द पास्ट लाइफ, नॉट दिस लाइफ, इन द पास्ट लाइफ you both guys are shared harmony, peace or something kind of a journey together. Okay, obstacles, the story. Okay, or you both guys are separated in the past life. That half story, that unfinished business between 2 of you needs to be fulfilled in this lifetime, and you have promised each other in the past lifetime that every lifetime we will be going to meet and end up together, not with anybody else. Okay, so divine has given you the hand, point blank, period. I wish everyone who is watching me right now, I wish that you got a normal journey, because this is not a cow cheese, this is not a joke. Go and watch Sunny Deol and Sangeeta Bijlani movie, Heer Ranjha. In fact, Laila Majnu. Okay, how Laila was getting fatka. Okay, when Majnu was got beaten up by Laila's father. Okay, and Laila was in the pain. She was having scratches all over the body. Please, if you're a Hollywood person or foreigner person, any country, and if you're watching me out, please watch Bollywood's old movie, because they are very nice. Yeah, what did I told you? Hermit card and the world game finish. Okay, here. So now you both are silent on each other, but you never shared, you never physically met in this lifetime. Only for this, the third group, you know each other on social media, or you know each other in the internet only, any kind of a workplace, but you never met physically, face to face. Never. I'm not sensing. Okay, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Number 4 could be very significant in the connection. For example, if I'm talking about my connection, okay, I'm 13th August 1-3. The 1 plus 3 equal to 4. 13 number is a highly spiritual number. Though people have taken the granted most unlucky number, it's not like that. 1 is for Sun and 3 is for Jupiter. When Sun and Jupiter comes together, success has to be there. Jhak maar ke. Okay, so if anybody out there who told you tera number born, you are very unlucky, fuck all them, fuck. Okay, just fuck them up. Okay, so yeah, I'm telling you number 4. So number 4, I am also sensing my I'm seeing a lot of 4 for last 5 years. Okay, whenever I try to end up with the other guy, or try to my family try to get indulged in the other guy proposals or something like that, I always see 4. That means my twin flame, my divine counterpart is already destined. I don't have to do anything. Okay, so spirit was aligning me. Okay, aligning for me or aligning for you. So you must be seeing 4, because I just saw 2222. Okay, so 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 4, both are guys mirroring each other. Okay, so if you are watching me and if you are resonating for third group, so you might be a very, and if you are a psychic like me, or if you are intuitive, you have a feeling, inner feeling in the gut feeling, you know कुछ लोग बहुत ऐसे होते हैं ना, डॉग की तरह, डॉग इज jealous just like me. Guys, I don't have any cold, but whenever I sat for channeling, see my nose becomes red. Okay, and I'm getting like a cough and cold all of a sudden. Give me one moment. Okay, so this is what like a doggy nature. My yoni also, in my birth chart also, my spirit animal is a dog. Okay, so whenever my divine counterpart is about to healing towards this connection, or he's spending time with dogs, the other dogs, street dogs, or my adopted dogs are getting over emotional over me. They are over giving me love. Okay, so I got to know that this is the personal journey. I'm telling you, every single damn twin flame journey is different. Go and read a lot of books on Amazon, twin flame journey. A lot of books, people are writing their own story. I will also write, or might be my husband is writing twin flame journey, because I hope so, because he's also, I don't know, he might, because we are mirroring each other, and I never met him in personal. Okay, so I am a writer, then he must be a writer. If I want to be a good author becoming, so he is also be a good author. I'm into public speaking, he is also will be public speaking, some kind of coaching, mentoring, and sort of. Okay, if I am a health freak and wanted to become a vegan, and I'm always 99% vegetarian. Okay, so he must be devotee, spiritual, sort of. So in third group, coming back to, I don't know. I'm getting negative. I'm getting a lot of naughty messages for this group. Lot of naughty messages. But as this is for 18 plus above, twin flame journey, you will always end up in the late marriages, 30 plus, sometimes 50 plus for some twin flames. Because see, it's all depend upon your past life karmic debt. Okay, karmic debts. Let me be very frank. Twin flame journey is all different. I'm gonna share my journey in the next yep, basically don't watch my 3 tires. Okay, you can watch my first tire. Just kidding. Okay, so yeah. This third group is very intense. I can totally relate to. This is a pure twin flame. This is a pure high vibrational twin flame. Okay, very high vibrational twin flame. You both are picking each other's energy like this, especially during night, because I'm seeing owl. Owl is the spirit animal, and owl is very wise, and owl's eyes like 360 degree neck rotating, means the world level connection, the focus. This twin flame is very 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 high vibrational, spiritually aligned, doing meditations, drinking a lot of water, doing healthy workouts, heavy workouts out there. Okay, I'm also sensing twin flames are always, no matter which religion you are, they are highly spiritual. They love worshipping Lord Shiva, Lord Parvati. They in fact end up getting tattooed of Lord Shiva. Okay, I don't know, I saw Vivek Pandit, I don't know why. Hi Vivek. Okay, so yeah, if you are subscribing my channel, I'm easily picking up your faces, your energies, and this reading might be resonated with you. Okay, long time awaited singles. Okay, and they are Lord Shiva devotees. This third group, I'm strongly sensing Lord Shiva. Yeah, confirmation. Don't worry. And I'm sensing a lot of people have a they previously dealt with a wrong person, girl or boy, doesn't matter. They were your false twin flame. You thought that person is meant for you, but no, something happened, tower moments happened, and you guys are separated. That was your ex, and this ex is not your twin flame. She is highly, or he is highly money whore, fake promises. बेबी मैं तो तुम्हारे साथ हूँ, और जब बारी आती है तब फक करके चले जाते हैं. ओके, so these are not high vibrational soulmates or twin flame. Okay, so I'm sensing very few. I'm sensing within 4 months marriage is on the cards for you guys, this third group. and you are in no contact, no separation. Let's see what is the, because I'm sensing a lot of red, and red is my favorite color. So lot of sexual. See, in soulmate connection, you guys are first best friends and spent a lot of time together. That is a soulmate. See, for example, for me, Amol, Kamlesh, they are not a romantic interest, by the way, but they are my high, vibrational soulmates. They can understand me, feel me, and they are always available. So these are the soulmate relationship. They never hurt me at all. Never. They in fact hesitate to say me no. Okay, this is soulmate vibrational. So soulmate can be anything, best friend. So soulmates are always, best friend first and then lovers, become lover. But in twin flame, no. They are lovers first and then they end up with best friends after marriage. And they're the instant connection. Once twin flame physically meets, they never separated then after. It is very difficult. And twin flame journey is like, a lot of people are faking out there. I don't know, it's not like that ki make label de do, tag de do. It's not like that. Twin flame journey is a roller coaster emotional ride. Okay, it is not never ending story. And they each and every lifetime, if they promise their love is becoming very, very strong, they come up again and again in every human lifetime. Okay, and twin flames jodi are easily getting to pick up by eyes, by lot of crowd. They're easily outstanding, the most mismatch and the most perfect power couple. Okay, their religion backgrounds are different. Okay, their upbringing different, their religious factors different, their understanding levels are sometimes different. Okay, their home grounds are different or native place are different. Okay, something like that. One, in the twin flame journey, you will always see one person is highly successful in materialism first, materialistically. Okay, and another person struggling, and then they got met, and then help each other. Or one person is always highly spiritual, which is divine feminine. काले पत्थर की लकीर समझो ये. Okay, divine feminine is more mature, spiritual than divine masculine in twin flame journey. She was already know that she is in twin flame journey, and then she awakens the divine masculine. Whereas in soulmate ऐसा नहीं होता है. Okay, fine. So yeah, the cycle. You both are closing cycle after coming into union. Your karmic debt from the past life. Okay. So yeah, which were holding back from each other. Okay. So yes, this person wants to travel the world tour with you. He's seeing, I'm sensing, you are my world. I'm hearing that word literally into my head. Your twin flame, your divine counterpart. For this third group, I'm specifically again sensing. I'm telling you, okay, disclaimer, this group is not for all. The third group, okay. So this person is saying that you are world to me. You are my everything. This person, I am strongly sensing, yes, Queen of Wands. See, this is you, my divine feminine. How see wands energy, wands, fiery energy. One of the wands she has picked up, another one, King of Wands will pick, has it. Okay, you both are lurking on each other. You both are highly sexually attracted. Twin flame journey is like started with the lust, I'm telling you, and then slowly they understood. Once they started to getting to know each other, then they understood that how deep love is this. Okay, and inseparable. Okay, no third party drama bullshit. Nothing works in the twin flame for a longer time. Nothing. They always magnetize each other. It's just like a love spell. I'm literally sensing that this person is, whoever divine masculine or divine feminine separated in the twin flame journey, this person specifically, I'm hearing a male. Okay, this person is speaking, to your photos or pictures, like you are my world, you are everything to me. Okay, because this person has, आपके सामने देख रहे हो, आपके सामने है कार्ड. दिस इज यू, माई डिवाइन फेमिनिन, और जेंडर स्पेसिफिक, और योर डिवाइन फेमिनिन, और यू आर डिवाइन मैस्कुलिन. जेंडर स्पेसिफिक नहीं है. ओके, सो टेक व्हाट रेजोनेटेड बिकॉज एनर्जी मैटर्स. दिस पर्सन, ओके, सी, this is you, your cup. This person ignored you, taken you for granted. Okay, taken granted for of this connection. and he is highly unsatisfied by the other offers. I am sensing this because ये होता ही है ट्विन फ्लेम में. Okay, one of the twin flames, specifically divine masculine, went to other girls, slept with multiple partners and trying to forget you, my divine feminine. क्या करे यार, मूर्ख है ये, क्या करे. Divine feminine are highly spiritually vibrating. This person is now realizing. This is in hermit mode. I am sensing 4 of swords in my third eye. So you are divine masculine if you are a female watching me, or if you are a male watching me. Okay, take what resonated. You are divine masculine or divine feminine are searching within themselves, taking rest, finding the solutions, and also coming up with the कि ये energy क्या है, मुझे ऐसा क्यों फील हो रहा है towards this person. And yes, if it is the love, then they have finalized that this is a true love. I need to take initiative. They have already taken the decision. Okay, and in my last reading also I told you, like, I was whenever the twin flames are coming into union or nearby union, you will always see engagement ring reels, or posters or videos, or somebody else is getting engaged or getting married videos, your friends. Last 2 years post COVID, I cannot tell you, more than 1,000 marriages I saw on my close friend circle. Okay, on my social media, those who I am knowing, and I am just sending congratulations. And in my house also there are 6 to 8 marriages has been done past 2 years. Okay, so this is my marriage card. Okay, so in twin flame journey, you always get engaged or married getting after 30s, post 30, 35 is late, very late, sometimes 40s also, 42 also. Okay, sometimes 2 to 3 marriages also happened. Okay, one of the 2 I am sensing for this group. Yes, confirmation. I'm sensing this, whoever masculine is thinking about you, either this person has a second marriage for sure, or a second time majorly love situation with you. Okay, second time he got serious. Okay, first time when, yes, happy family card. So emotional, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay, so here a fire and water energy. Obviously twin flame has most of the time fire earth or fire water energies. Very see, cards are like jumping energies. I'm sorry guys, I'm channeling a lot. I'm trying to capture a lot of 3D visions, third eye visions. Okay, give me one moment. I'm sweating like hell. Okay, I'm stretching this group because this group is very intense and heavy ass energies. Okay, so recently you will feel suddenly twin flame journey is a roller coaster of emotions. Okay, like suddenly one moment in one day you will go hundreds of emotions. Suddenly you feel very cold, detached from this person. Who the fuck are you? Get lost. I am channeling, when I am sensing my twin flame journey. Okay, 7 of swords I just saw. Okay, when I am connecting to my divine masculine, which I never met in the physical, when I saw his pictures in my 3Ds, and then I suddenly felt to give him a galis, lot of curses and lot of anger and lot of this. Sometimes I very much frustrated till the point that I have to stop my entire work. Okay, and I just try to sleep forcefully. Okay, that kind of energy. And sometimes if your divine masculine is working too much, then if he is not taking breaks, work over, then divine feminine getting suffered. I told you, go and watch Sunny Deol and Sangeeta Bijlani movie, Heer Ranja Laila Majnu. Please go and watch. I think Heer Ranja, yeah, Heer Ranja. Okay, yes, moon card has an. So sun, one in the twin flame journey, one is sun, another is moon. Very emotional, one is very bright, like me. Very bright, very sunny, very positive, very happy-go-lucky. Okay, so these are the intense journey. Okay, this is intense journey. So do not please forcefully try to fit into the groups unless and until yes. So yeah, Cancer season, this coming Cancer, because this is my Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, mostly Cancer card for me. I don't know other readers what take resonate. Other readers have different cards, but for me this card is like a marriage proposal, engagement proposal. Might be he will ask you out in the near future. Okay, Okay, and he has invested a lot of time, because I'm sensing 7 of Pentacles, more than 7 months or 5 months, or 3 years. No, not just 3 years. Cups energy is a watery energy. Okay, excuse me, more than 3 months. Okay, he has invested a time in you. He is trying to understand you. Okay, what is this connection, what is this all and everything. Okay, this horse reminds me, like, in Indian marriages. Okay, we have a compulsory, buying, renting horses, because because we are Rajput, we are Marathas. In our Sanskriti, in our Raja Maharaja, in our king culture is what, on horse riding. So entry, groom's entry, and sometimes a bride entry also in my culture. Okay, has been happened on horses. Okay, so I'm sensing like Dule Raja song. Go and watch Dule Raja. Oh my God, Salman Khan's movie, by the way. Okay, like how he on his horse, he is dancing, like, and looking into his bride's eye from afar, like, and very very hopeless romantic person this is. Okay, I'm sensing that energy. So yeah, on this horse he's like, मेरी दुल्हन तैयार रहना, मैं आ रहा हूँ. Okay, and this guy is very emotional. If you are walked away, or dating somebody else, or indulge somebody, into other thing, he will be very heartbroken, very much heartbroken. Okay, might be getting into depression, or alcoholism. I'm saying drug addiction. Okay, so please, my divine feminine, you are a truth speaker people, and you know your energy. Yes, what did I tell? आपके सामने shuffle किया, one card fallen down, so I'm taking it. 9 of Cups. Cups energies are too much in twin flame journey, too much, these days, because both are very 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 feeling emotional and closer. जैसे 14th June आएगा, वैसे वैसे आपकी इंट्यूशंस हाइटेंड होती जाएगी, आपके एक दूसरे का भरोसा बढ़ता जाएगा, प्यार बढ़ता जाएगा. बिकॉज सी, कंग्रेचुलेशंस. ओके, नो, ट्विन फ्लेम्स आर ऑलरेडी नो दैट, उनको कि पता होता है कि ट्रू लव, अनकंडीशनल लव इज ऑलवेज देयर इज अ वाइट डव हियर. ओके, so whenever you are guys coming into together, you might get seen. Okay, you might be seeing white kabutar. Okay, white pigeons, and those are your ancestors. Okay, they are guiding towards you. How this divine is hand giving you hand, and I'm seeing a lot of yellow color here. Solar chakra, sacral chakra, a lot of you guys are highly creative. You guys once come together, every single person in this world are going to attract the attention you guys having. Every single person will get to know that you guys are twin flame, and every single person will see your marriage, witness your journey, and say, wow, I want such kind of love, I want such kind of a partnership, I want such kind. I'm seeing a lot of high vibrational twin flames who are meant for something big. Okay, they are popular, very high successful tycoons. Okay, उनके pictures, people are going to stick on their vision board. Wow. Amin. Touch wood. Okay, lot of people will envy this twin flame, this connection. Okay, so but divine is protecting, so no harm, nothing. Okay, both guys will, फेविकॉल का जोड़ है, टूटेगा नहीं. अंबुजा सीमेंट. स्पेसिफिकली इफ यू आर माई डिवाइन मैस्कुलिन वाचिंग दिस वीडियो आउट, एंड उसको तो पहले ही पता होगा, लाइक अर्चना क्या चीज़ है. सो या, ट्विन फ्लेम्स आर हाईली यूनिक पीपल. उनकी ऑरा और उनकी एनर्जी ऐसे होती है कि लव एट फर्स्ट साइट. नॉट जस्ट देयर ओन डिवाइन फेमिनिन मैस्कुलिन वॉचेस दिस. लव एट फर्स्ट साइट, दिस इज माई लव एट फर्स्ट साइट कार्ड. ओके, उनको कोई भी दूसरा फेमिनाइन और मैस्कुलिन इजीली अट्रैक्ट हो सकता है. इनका पावर और इनका एनर्जी, इनका ऑरा इतना होता है कि लड़कियां जान देने के लिए रेडी हो जाती है, द अदर पीपल. ओके, एंड लड़के ऑल्सो, बॉयज, टेक व्हाट रेजोनेटेड. सो इफ आई एम अ फीमेल, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मेन, and if you are female watching, so this reading is for your divine masculine. Okay, so many people are going to envy this, jealousy, but nothing happens. Okay, don't worry about this connection, but you need to come together very soon. Okay, fine. I'm also sensing 9 of Cups again. You divine masculine drinking lot of water. I'm sensing You both are thirsty for each other's soul love. Long time. I don't know what will happen when you two of you meets in physical 3D reality. Okay, this will be the heaven. And मैंने कल के रीडिंग में ऑलरेडी बोला भी था. You go and watch Sagittarian part 2, Cancer part 2, part 1, and Aries Leo also. Thundering, yeah. Yes, lightning in the sky. Might be rainy season में आप मिलो जो कि अभी है. So doesn't matter if you are a foreigner watching me out, okay. Might be there is a snowfall in your area, okay. Southern hemisphere, northern hemispheres, doesn't matter. I'm sensing within 6 months you will be getting married to this person if your age is 30, okay. Because below 30 I don't entertain. My readings does not resonate below 30, guys, for specifically twin flame journey, okay. Sometimes, okay, sometimes. Yeah, cards are falling down. Yes, what did I told you? Marriage card. This is my marriage card. Higher commitment card, okay. Hierophant in the deck, the spiritual guru. Upar wala, universe is working behind two of you, you know, coming together. So very nice, very nice. Yeah, very nice. Emperor card. See, divine masculine, you need to drop down your ego. Might be I'm sensing this, your divine feminine has bruised your ego because 8 of cups का card आया था, you know, walking away from you to show you the mirror, okay. And this is good, you have transformed, you are transforming yourself. And if she find it out, even a 1%, you haven't changed, you have a non-committal energy, player like energy, gone. This connection will move forward to the next lifetime, I'm sensing, okay. Yeah, this is my divine masculine. Whenever I sat on his energy, whenever I do readings for him energetically, what I am feeling it, okay. So he always shows up in the King of Cups card, okay. So clear cut, this is divine masculine, clear cut hai ye, okay. And angels are working behind back. And this is my Sagittarian card. So I am a Sagittarian, somewhere he is also holding Sagittarian energy, or your divine masculine has somewhere fire sign energy, okay. So yeah, Leo, I saw Leo card in the bottom, okay. So I'm gonna take this card. And final card, okay. 4 minutes to go. Sorry, I'm taking too much time, okay, but I had to, okay, I had to, okay. This twin flame in separation wants a baby boy with you. Yeah, he's juggling in his work right now. Yes, devil card, highly sexually attracted towards you. So yeah, my divine feminine, there is a warning for you, okay. You need to hold back this horse. This sexual power you need to hold back, because he's very highly sexual. He won't show up easily at the first, but later on आप दोनों के बीच में इतना सेक्सुअलिटी पावर बढ़ेगा कि you both guys are, you know, forgetting about your soul mission, your soul contract, for what the God has sent you on this earth, okay. So don't forget that, because if you are here meeting in this lifetime, that means God has given you certain kind of responsibilities to serve for the better humanity purpose, right? So I'm sensing इतना sexual attraction होगा दोनों के बीच once you guys meet, okay. Round after rounds. This divine masculine is more hyperactive and this person has a lot of strength than divine feminine, because divine feminine has never indulged in sexual activities. I'm telling you, 99%, okay. She's not aware of, you know, sex and intimacy, and even the she is aware, she's completely detached. She's focused on her career and something like that. Though this divine masculine is sending, because this, see, there is a thread, there is a chain, a strong sexual chain binding two of you together, okay. So whatever he is thinking, this is energetically wireless communication as happening between two of you, and you are sending the negative sexual energy to your female. And if it is positive or something like that, I don't know, I'm getting strong sexaholic energy, strong sexaholic. See, आपके सामने कार्ड गिरा ना, कौन है पीछे? The fucking Queen of Cups. Idiot, you divine masculine. Idiot है मेरा वाला, तो पूरा एड़ा है लगता है. Go splurge your money on different girls. You Casanova guy, I don't know. I'm getting a lot of Casanova energy. And please go and watch Deepa Tarot, Divine Tarot also. She specifically does twin flame. She's my soulmate. Okay, she's specifically doing twin flame channel reading. Okay, so yeah, we were discussing together रात के 3 बजे तक, like why this twin flame journey is fucking so, all guys are like, Casanova player type, and they are now regretting. I'm telling you, regret never, fulfill your manifestation. So he needs to understand, like, past is in the past, whatever happened has happened, but please don't repeat those same mistakes again. Okay, you idiot. So Divine Feminine, if you are watching this, you want to give a गाली, comment down below. And गाली मुझे मत देना, अपने Divine Masculine को देना, okay? अपने counterpart को देना, okay? Whoever. So this is a divine couple. Both are emotionally aligned with each other. Divine Feminine is very spiritual, very emotionally, highly intelligent, and you both guys are understanding, matured enough. Okay, I'm sensing Divine Masculine is sensing lot of masturbation, lot of shower sex, lot of oral sex, lot of dog positions, lot of top position. Okay, hugging, lot of kissing on forehead. I'm sensing he doesn't want to leave you. He's holding, like, like I'm sensing, like, he's I'm sensing your Divine Masculine is holding you with his chest very tightly, like this. Okay, I'm sensing a naked couple right now. Okay, please don't scared. Okay, don't be like shit, because this is random messages. I am actually seeing in my 3D. Both are half naked and both are hugged each other, and I'm sensing from a back, the female's back. Okay, and I'm sensing only a Divine Masculine's face and her back with the long hair, like up to this hair. Okay, so I am a star seed indigo child. Okay, I'm a Lyrian. I have done thousands of lifetimes in different lifetimes from different galaxy, and I'm telling you that I'm a Leo. I'm a hardcore lioness. Okay, so lioness never depend upon their lions. They always hunt their own prey. Okay, and this quality is highly sensual and intimidating to your masculines and people out there. Okay, so be Divine Feminine, be in your avatar all the time. Okay, I don't have to tell you, you know your situation very well. Okay, so I'm sensing short girl hair here. I don't know why. I saw Supriya, my Instagram follower, my student. Okay, my ex-student. Okay, yeah, yes, air communication. So I told you 4th June, 8th June, 14th June. I'm also sensing 28th June. Oh my god, last 1 hour I'm talking. So for all the groups over here, not just twin flame, for all the groups. Okay, yeah, Spirit, come through. yes My intuition never lies. Never. My vibration, I'm always vibrating in 8th dimension, not even 5D. Okay, Lord Shiva is highly connected to me. Okay, Lord Parvati, Lord Shri Krishna. Okay, Lord Shani Deva. Don't mess up with me. Okay, I told you, Divine Masculine is sending lot of heavy negativity, anxiety, रात भर जगना, photos को देखना, kisses देना, masturbations करना. This is unwanted for Divine Feminine, because she doesn't want this. She wants a real time commitment. She wants a real time, whatever the intimacy, the unconditional love, the gifts. Okay, spending time with each other, getting married. Okay, she doesn't like this separation at all. That's the reason she is thinking very practical, like ये एनर्जी लेके मैं करूँ क्या, अचार डालूँ इसका और अचार डाल के तुमको खिलाऊँ किसको खिलाऊँ. So yeah, Divine Masculine is not sleeping. That's the reason Divine Feminine is also awake, because मैं अपने example से बता रही हूँ. I'm not able to getting sleep till 6 a.m. मैं जानबूझ के 2-3 लीटर पानी पी के सोती हूँ, कुछ भी करती हूँ, खाती हूँ दबा के रात के टाइम, क्योंकि मुझे नींद आए कि खाने के बाद तो आपका ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल गेट कार्ब्स रिलीज होते हैं, तो एनर्जी ज़्यादा क्रिएट होता है, तो यू विल फील स्लीपी. बट मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है, एंड दैट्स द रीज़न आई एम गेनिंग टू मच weight. I cannot tell this personal reason to people, but I'm sharing my journey, guys. I'm a sport nutritionist. Sometimes it feels question mark on my identity that people watches me, criticize me over my fats, but this is a twin flame journey. I cannot do with that anymore. Okay, so once I'm getting aligned with my once I'm getting married, I know that my huge transformation globe will be happening soon, because when you have a sex, when you have a sacred sex, when you have an intimacy with your own divine masculine, the heavenly blessed gift from divine, then automatically the happiness goes on the top of the world, and all the worries fade away, and you will able to focus on your that person also getting helped. That person will help you to lose weight or gain weight, or look healthier, happier, and all kind of a positive energy happens after both guys are meeting together after marriage, of course. So I know that ये जो मेरा फैट लॉस का जर्नी का स्ट्रगल चल रहा है, इफ ही इज डेफिनेटली, so he needs to understand, he needs to speak up, and the communication is coming. Whatever I'm speaking is truth about my journey as well, because this is a truth card. जाओ गूगल करो, जो करना है. अर्चना तावरे के ऊपर भरोसा नहीं है तो यहाँ पर मत आओ, और ये वीडियो मत देखो, मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब मत करो. ओके, बिकॉज वट एवर आई एम स्पीकिंग, आई एम अ damn truth speaker. Okay, so whatever I'm speaking about myself, giving you examples, speaking about other people and life, that is absolutely truth. That this is divine truth card. Okay, give me one moment, guys, because I'm sensing my divine masculine energy a lot. Last 5 months was on troll, I don't know why, बट ऐसा लगा यार ये जो जनवरी जैसे ही 2022 आया, बट लेटर ऑन आई अंडरस्टूड एवरीथिंग हैपन्स फॉर गुड. ओके, सो माई डिवाइन मैस्कुलाइन, don't be in a head, don't be in a over self negative talks, don't be in like stressful energies, don't in a happy state also. Sometimes you are there and you awake a lot, whole night you awake. Okay, so you're sending this energy to your divine feminine. सो जा टाइम पे. जस्ट मिल गाइज, कहाँ गया मेरा हेडफोन, my Bluetooth headphones. Okay, so this is collective reading, all the collective reading. Your person is overly stressed. Instead of taking action, he is into his head. Now he will come up very soon with the communication, with the commitment. I know this is a commitment card. Lovers just fallen down. Nude pictures, मैंने ये बोला था कैंसर के रीडिंग में भी. Souls are nudes only, naked only. Okay, he will come up to you, he will share his entire story. कहाँ मुँह मारा, excuse me for my lingo. I am like this, super blunt. I hate sugar coating, because sometimes I fumbled about the words in English. I am from vernacular medium, Marathi medium. Can you just believe this? And I'm speaking non-stop in English. Okay, so sometimes my channeling, because my upbringing is in the Marathi. Okay, Marathi language. So I could not easily find English word how to translate into English. Okay, so muh mara means like he has literally fucked up with other girls in the bed. Okay, or to forget you, or find it out why I'm not able to why this connection is so strong. I'm not able to forget even after sleeping with multiple partners, or giving a phone sex, or phone dating or something like that on a dating Tinder apps. I'm strongly sensing Tinder apps, Tinder app. Okay, so your guy was entertaining somebody else, he was juggling with you definitely. Okay, in twin flame. Okay, and in the soulmate connection, I'm sensing he is very much focused on his work. He want to chapofy, he want to like money. Okay, for a brighter future or something kind of like that for both of yours future. Okay, so connection, this is coming, he's coming out of the cold, because you guys are left, this is you divine feminine, you have left this person because of the bullshit. Okay, he's doing with you. Okay, not communicating, not speaking up, not giving you commitment, playing lot of mind games. I hate this. I'm gonna tell my person also. Okay, don't fuck with me again, because this is mind games totally. Who wants to be in this energy? I'm also sensing some of the twin flame has a depression, anxiety problem. Yeah, this person is over emotional, over something is deeply associated with their yes deeply healing needs, lack of healing. Okay, ये अपने आप को अकेला नहीं हील कर पाएगा. डिवाइन फेमिनिन इसको आपकी ज़रूरत है डेफिनेटली, विदाउट यू. बिकॉज सी, दिस इज अ फीमेल इन द स्टार कार्ड. दिस इज माई हीलिंग कार्ड, एंड these all stars are divinely orchestrated, angels working behind the scene. Okay, so this is a female, so he needs to understand that you, my divine feminine, are going to heal him. Okay, you. So instead of running away from this connection and commitment, you are delaying your own blessings, your own happiness, your own next $1 billion, your own next stability, future. Okay, popularity, whatever. Okay, hypothetical things doesn't matter to me. Money, yeah, of course money matters, but I'm not a money whore person at all. I don't, Sagittarian don't run behind the money. If there is somebody else owning the money, they don't run. Spiritual Sagittarian people never runs behind the status and all. They always runs behind their goals, passion, and they believe. See, shuffling, and again this card coming up. So much stressed he is, so much stressed. I can't even tell. And he's also, see, he's lurking on your social media. He's keeping a very close tab. I'm also hearing that he has hired, if he is in a strong position in the career, like your CEO, your boss, or manager, or higher manager. Okay, he won't show you that he follows you, but he hired somebody, or he has some subordinates to work under him. Okay, they are following your social media strongly, stalking, and what the word, yeah, keeping a closer eyes on your each and every information, and sending to him. Okay, mind games. मैंने बोला ना, इस sword का कार्ड आया. I hate this. Fucking, she's divine feminine. She just want a clear cut communication. Just one cup of coffee, you sit together, discuss, and game finish. That's it. उसके लिए इतना time. And what I'm sensing, some of the divine masculines, and finding each and every single information about their crush and lover, or whatever they feel are strongly connected to. Like, isko kulfi pasand hai, likha kulfi. Deepa must be laughing a lot. they're literally writing, इसको रूबी पसंद है, डायमंड पसंद है, इसको गोल्ड पसंद है. they're literally, I'm sensing a very luxurious pen, okay, and a leather very good diary. Okay, very well maintained diary, and in that he's specifically writing about his divine feminine. Like, I'm sensing a lot of divine feminine here watching me. They have a curly hair like me. Wow, high five girl, because curly hair are nothing but Lakshmi. Okay, and if you see all the divine Hindu deities photo, all the divine feminines, all the goddesses are in the curly hair. In fact, you go and Hyderabad, or other temples visit, the monument, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, sculptures, yeah, the I don't know, the monument, and you just see the statues, all the like photos also carrying a curly hair, for the gods and goddesses. Why? Because curly hair defines the wealth, long-term wealth, and the divine blessing. So yes, curly hairs girls are extra lucky. Okay, so be proud of yourself. Okay, and whether it's a short, long, doesn't matter. Okay, your energy matters. What kind of a energy, what kind of a aura, positivity you exudes. Okay, people can feel it, understand it, and ये दो खुली बड़े बटाटा जैसे आँखों से वो absorb कर रहे हैं your so yes, your divine masculine very much working on his craft and project, but he needs to understand, he needs to put in the work and action instead of stalking into this energy, so that he himself can heal this connection as well. Alright, so no more, because almost 1 hour. मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ तुम लोगों को, समझ में नहीं आता क्या तुम लोग को? डिवाइन, ओके फाइन, डिवाइन wants to take out this, literally they said, shut up Archana, don't talk too much and take this card, bloody hell. So again this card came up. Okay, this is not a divine feminine energy, this is divine masculine energy. Okay, I'm taking it and I'm done literally, because मेरा all whole spread नीचे है. Okay, so expect a communication and manifest this divine feminine, because if he is in the head, you need to attract him more. Okay, by the spreading positivity, by working on your crafts and only focusing on self love. Yeah, but yeah, so yeah, that's it for एकदम शॉर्ट अर्जेंट मैसेज था, 1 घंटे के ऊपर चला गया ऑलमोस्ट. ओके, सो या सी यू टुमारो अगेन. There was like some internet issue problem was going on inside my house, so I am not able to post this reading, but today is 31st I guess. या 31st. ओके, सो ट्यूसडे है, तो मैं वेनसडे या थर्सडे तक ये रीडिंग डाल दूँगी. देखो, स्प्रेड करो, शेयर करो. माइट बी समबडी आउट देयर बेचारा सफरिंग, बेचारी सफरिंग इन टू ट्विन फ्लेम जर्नी, सोलमेट जर्नी और वॉट एवर, नो कॉन्टैक्ट सिचुएशन. प्लीज़ प्लीज़ प्लीज़, माई रीडिंग मस्ट रीच टू देम. ओके, so that they can get a guidance and help, so they can wait. Okay, they cannot indulge in some other XYZ person unnecessarily. Okay, I saw many twin flames, I saw many soulmates, they indulged in a hurry, in a rush to unwanted karmic person, and causes more and more drama. And I saw one of my friend also, I'm getting a 3D vision right now. Yeah, divine masculine is coming towards you. Okay, small gesture, but you understood. Okay, सो आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई सॉ मेनी लाइक उनके 2-3 मैरिजेस होने के बाद दे मेट देयर रियल ट्विन फ्लेम एंड रियल डेस्टाइंड पार्टनर और समथिंग. मैंने ऐसा भी देखा है कि 45 एज तक लोग सिंगल है, क्योंकि उनको कोई पसंद ही नहीं आया. तो कैसे आती, तुम्हारा आत्मा किसी के और के साथ अटैच्ड है, सोल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लिखा हुआ है, तो वो किसी भी कास्ट का, रिलीजन का हो सकता है. माइट भी अदर कंट्रीज से भी हो सकता है, फॉरेनर. बट यू नीड टू ट्रैवल, यू नीड टू टेक एक्शंस अकॉर्डिंग टू योर डिवाइन गाइडेंस. ओके, सो टेक व्हाट रेजोनेटेड. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि 45 एज में अगर सिंगल हो तो नहीं मिलेगी, ऐसा नहीं है. इफ देर इज अ मैरिज रिटन ऑन द स्टार्स, इन द कार्ड्स, इन योर होरोस्कोप, चेक योर होरोस्कोप विद दीपा. शी इज नाइस एंड गिव माई रेफरेंस, शी विल गिव यू डिस्काउंट ऑल्सो. ओके, दीपा डिवाइन टैरो. ओके, so check your horoscope whether is marriage available or not. She is a very good astrologer. Okay, I did not check my horoscope yet because I did not feel to do now, but yes, definitely we are going to meet up, yeah, in the future with our respective divine masculine. See again the card coming up. Expect the communication very soon in this June-July season. Okay, I am expecting in the June itself because it is too late now. आई एम सेंसिंग इट इज़ टू लेट, बिकॉज वो सैंड मशीन मुझे कब से दिखा रहे हैं, कम्प्लीटली सैंड नीचे हो गई ना. हम लोग ऐसे यूज़ करते वो ऑफिस में रखने के लिए, द सैंड क्या गिफ्ट. ओके, समझ जाओ. ओके, तो वो सैंड पूरी फिसल चुकी है, ख़त्म हो चुकी है. तो टाइम इज़ ओवर फॉर डिवाइन मैस्कुलिन. ओके, प्लीज़. सो या, जय सद्गुरु, ओम साई राम. थैंक यू सो मच. श्री स्वामी समर्थ. ओके, एवरीबडी ब्लेस्ड.